while he's doing the snap.
But the more I kept doing it, the more they was feeling it.
And then I heard some bitches say, yo, that nigga's killing it.
By the end of the night, everyone was on my team, and
The whole club was dancing like a salmon floating upstream.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ